Manitoba chicken with us tonight, Gina Sunderland, and it's easy Italian. We're on to recipe number 2. This is our oven-baked chicken parmigiana. We get to use a mallet, or we've used a mallet again for this recipe. So yeah, we're already having fun tonight. So how do we get this going?
Well, chicken parmigiana is absolutely a classic chicken Italian favorite. And once again, this evening, we are going to use our pounded thin chicken breast for this recipe.
There they are.
Something I love about this recipe is that it's baked instead of fried. It makes it really easy to prepare, but it's also healthier for you too.
Okay, love that.
Yeah. Okay, so the way we start is Des and I have pounded these chicken breasts. So we got things rolling here. You just want to pat them dry a little bit before you start breading them or dredging them.
That's important. That's not just, you know, there's a reason for that. Because I've often found that when I'm breading chicken that it doesn't stick.
Right, and this is your foolproof little secret to get all of the egg and the delicious Parmigiana breading to stick perfectly, and it's just that simple. Okay, so you've whisked one egg, and
Countryside Farms Vita Eggs, got to mention that.
Beautiful. Okay. That looks absolutely perfect. Thank you, Des. And that is our first little station here for this baked Parmigiana.
Okay.
And then we are also going to make that delicious breading. Okay, so I'm going to have you help me combine that. So we've got our panko crumbs here, half a cup of breadcrumbs.
So is there a reason why you would mix the two, or could you just use panko, or could you just use breadcrumbs?
You know what, I think it's that beautiful combination. The panko gives it, again, that little bit of a crunch.
Okay.
The breadcrumbs have a little more flavor. Because they're baked and not fried, we want that nice crispiness. And then we're adding about 1/3 of a cup of Parmesan cheese.
That's a
Need our
must.
Parmesan cheese, chicken Parmigiana. We've got a tablespoon of our basil, a tablespoon of oregano, so we are bringing in those Italian flavors, Des. And then we've got about half a teaspoon of fresh ground pepper.
There it is. Okay, so you want to try and get everything mixed up equally here.
That is starting to look just perfect.
How's that?
It's I love it.
Okay.
Excellent, excellent.
Here we go.
Okay, so that looks great. All right, so we're gonna just start out by dipping it in the egg first.
Yeah, this is the point where I'm like, please stick, please stick, please stick.
Exactly, and it is sticking so nicely there. Okay, and then you just add a little crumb on top. And another trick to get your breading to stick, Des, is to just press it down. You just want to get right in there. Yep. And so these go on a well-oiled pan. They're going to bake at 400 for about 30 minutes. So that oiled pan really, again, helps give that nice crunchy flavor. Thank you so much. Perfect. We're just going to show you how quick it is to do another one.
This is also the point when I'm making anything where I'm breading chicken where it's like, oh, I don't have enough egg, and then I have to go wash my hands and I have to go.
That can happen.
Enough, always.
Yeah, and I find for 4 good-sized chicken breasts, 1 egg is just absolutely perfect for this recipe. Yeah, it works great. Okay, so there we go. So Des, can you smell what's cooking?
I can smell what's cooking.
That's right.
It's chicken Parmigiana.
We have some fantastic chicken Parmigiana in the oven, and I'm going to show you the last step of this recipe once you pull it out of the oven. So these have baked for about 25 to 30 minutes at 400 degrees. And you know what, just before we finish off this recipe, I just want to mention something. I think we are just so lucky right here in Manitoba to have so many delicious, beautiful, healthy local foods. And we are so lucky to have local Manitoba chicken 12 months out of the year. So any grocery store you go into at any time of the year, you can get beautiful, fresh chicken.
It's always available.
It's always available.
We are lucky.
Yeah, our farmers raise chickens in modern barns, so they can raise them throughout the harshest of conditions to the warmest of climates. And yeah, we're just so lucky. All right, Des, so those look good. They smell great. This is what they come out like. The last 2 steps are we're just going to add some tomato sauce onto each of those, and then we're going to top them with some cheese, some mozzarella cheese.
Shall I?
Yes, please.
So like about a tablespoon?
Yeah, you know, it's about a cup of sauce for 4 good-sized chicken breasts, and that looks great. For me, the saucier, the better.
Oh, I see. Okay, well then, allow me.
Yes, okay.
Allow me.
Looks good, looks good.
Throwing the sauce around, okay.
Love it, love it. Delicious, perfect. And then you broil these for about, 3 to 5 minutes, depending on your oven. And they come out just divine. I love to serve these with a fresh salad and some pasta. And I'm with you. The more, the better. Let's just load these up.
Get it all on there.
All right. And then we got our fresh parsley.
Yeah, lots of parsley in this as well. Those look beautiful.
Italian flat leaf parsley. Oh my goodness.
There it is.
Beautiful.
Boom.
Thanks, Des. Looks great. Can't wait to try these.
Well, thank you for making it easier and just a little bit healthier as well. Our oven-baked chicken parmigiana. When we come back, recipe number 3, which is chicken meatballs and tomato sauce here on Easy Italian Night on Great Tastes of Manitoba. Don't go away.
You're watching Great Tastes of Manitoba, brought to you in part by Manitoba's farmers and ranchers. Local farms, local foods.